Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete bookmarks on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! We come across a lot of content on the internet every single minute. And sometimes you have to save them for later reference, and browser bookmark are the go-to options. You can also use bookmarks to quickly access website without searching the web or remembering the URL. But over time, your Mac may have too many browser bookmarks, which can defeat their purpose. It means you have to delete some browser bookmarks and recognize them. So here's in this video, I will show you how to do it. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add bookmark on your MacBook. But now what if you want to delete it, you want to remove it? It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our browser. Here's I'm using Safari on my browser. You can check your bookmark. You can simply click on bookmark in here. Or you can open your sidebar. Click on sidebar. You can see all your bookmarks in here. But I will recommend you if you want to delete your bookmark, all your bookmarks at once, you can click on bookmarks. But if you want to delete from here, you can just click right on the bookmark that you want to delete, and you'll find there is an option delete. You can just select on that, or you can open your bookmark in here, select on edit bookmark. You can check all your bookmarks in here. And from here, you can choose one of the bookmarks that you want to delete. You can click right and choose on delete. So you have removed that bookmark, the website from your bookmarks. It's very simple, right? And if you want to add another one, you want to add any website, you can just slide like this, slide the website address like this, or you can just click on bookmark and choose on add bookmark. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete bookmarks on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!